Today I'm going to be teaching you how to build a Steiger 23 Miami. Now there's a little picture of one up in the top right corner, and so basically it's going to be 5 blocks wide. So we're going to start with the hull and we're going to make it look like that, and then we're just basically going to make this come up a little bit. Now, this isn't really what it'd look like on the inside. We're just trying to get that outside look for more of like a look than a feel. I will probably make another video on how to make one that actually feels like one on the inside. And I made one, but it wouldn't post for some reason, so yeah, I kind of had issues with that. So you basically just make 2 up front. This way it's nice and... Actually, we don't need that second thing. So if you just did what I did, don't do that. Watch this video before you start building. Okay. Take that slabs, do that, and then get that little thingy that's up in the front. That. And then say we come up one more, then we start this. Go across. Please excuse the fan and the blowing and all that background noise. My dad's outside blowing. I'm in New Hampshire and we don't have central AC, so you know, it's kind of, yeah. Alright, so we'll continue this like that. Yeah, we should have probably made this wider, but hey, this is like the worst boat I've ever built in the history of Minecraft. Jeez, man, this is bad. Whatever. I'm just gonna grab some more stairs. This is cringy. Oh no, what have I created? I have created a monster. What? No. I have created a monster. This boat, it's horrible. Whatever. Alright, so run that back to there. And then, wow. I have created a monster. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then put the engine there. Oh no, wait, the engine's behind the swim platform. That's cool. Okay, well there's our engine. And there is our beautiful 23. Actually that's probably more of a 21 Steiger Craft 21 Miami. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. It still looks horrible. But that's all for today, folks.